Hello dear students, again welcome to the video lecture of freshwater fish culture. Today I am going to start unit 2nd of paper 2nd, that is the limnology. What is the definition of limnology, or what is meant by the limnology? Limnology is the study of inland water and their many different aspects. Okay dear students, the limnology is the study of all type of fresh water, which is the comparatively small when compared to the marine waters. The limnology derived from the Greek word lime, okay, meaning pool or lake. The father of limnology is the Swiss scientist F.F. Forel. The limnology is also called the freshwater science, is the study of inland water. It is often regarded as the division of the ecology of the environmental science. It covered the biological, physiological and chemical factor and other the attributes that the all land waters. Okay, these include the study of lakes and ponds, rivers, springs, streams and the wetlands. Okay, a more recent sub-disciplines of the limnology term land space limnology studies manage and conserve this aquatic ecosystem using a land space perspective. Okay, limnology is close related to the aquatic ecology and the hydrobiology, which study in the aquatic organism in particular regard to the hydrological environment. This is the about the limnology, isn't it dear students? The limnology classification, the lake classification, the limnological classification lake according to their trophic state index and the oligotrophic lakes characterized by the relatively low level of primary reproduction or the low level of nutrients of the eutrophic lake has a high level of the primary productivity due to the very high nutrient level. Okay, the limnology is the study of all type of fresh waters, rivers, streams, lake, reservoir, ponds, tank, pool, mud, bogs and even underground water, isn't it? It started with the study of lake, which was defined as the ecosystem. Even the small collection of the water was at the drain, moats, cavities and tree trunks have the particular or the peculiar limnology. The lake is very enormously latitude, attitude and the size of the depth and each of the closed system. The largest lake, which one is the largest lake in the world, students? The Tanganyika, okay, in Africa. The deepest lake in the world is Lake Baikal, which is 1706 meter in Russia. Okay, in India, the lake of comparatively shallow due to the year of monsoon rain, silts wash and silts accumulation. Among the Himalaya lakes, the deepest in Kankuchia Tal in Kumaon. Okay, the lake Nainital in now only the 24.2 meter, but the Kankuchia Tal in Kumaon is the 40.5 meter, is the largest lake. Okay, only the Creator Lake in India, the lake only 26 meter in deep. This is about the limnology. Now in the limnology, the study of the encompass the three major areas: the physiological, chemical and the biological. The first of these areas of the physiological in the affecting some factor affecting the fish culture, the physiological factor, chemical conditions, biological conditions in pond. Okay, the physiological factor, the important physiological factor affecting fish culture: depth, temperature, turbidity and light. So now we will start the source condition, pressure, moment, water, temperature, turbidity, light, depth is all the physiological factor. First physical factor is depth. The morphometry refer to the physical factors, shape, size, structure, etc. that are determining the lake beside. Generally, the lake that are the small in surface area and larger in depth. You watch in this image, the generally the lake that are the small in structure, surface area and larger in depth exhibit the higher water quantity or the quality than those of that are the larger surface area and shallow in depth. Larger surface area and shallow in depth. This is the referred to as the surface to volume ratio. Okay, the average depth of the lake, the volume derived from the surface area related to the productivity. The depth of pond is influenced the physical and the chemical property of water. A shallow pond allows the sunlight penetrate the bottom and increase the productivity of photosynthesis. But the pond to shallow water get heated during the summer month, affecting the survival of the fish. Generally, to more or deep consider the good of the maximum productivity. This is about the depth. In the physiological essential, the areas of the depth water will depend on the drainage from the surrounding of land, which is the aquatic ecosystem determining the geological characters and the function of inland water. The natural, this include the study of lake, reservoir, then the about the physical property that the aquatic ecosystem are determined the combination of heat, current, wave and other the disturbance of environmental condition. In the temperature, the and the catch per unit efforts, the simple slope are found in the mean depth. When the sunlight present the bottom, increase the productivity by the photosynthesis. Okay, this is the about the depth. Then the light interference, the light zonation of the concept how to amount the sunlight penetrate into the water influence and surface of water body. The zone define the various level of productivity within the aquatic ecosystem, such as lake. For the instance, the depth of water column which sunlight is able in depth meter to 2.1 to 3.5. The different color found there. Okay, the most of the able growth known is the photic or the euphotic zone. The rest of water column which the deeper and the non receive the sufficient amount. The different species in different depth and different temperature. The variance in temperature has an important influence of that of the organism, include the fishes. The low temperature of the reduce the metabolic activity, feeding, breeding, respiration. The physiological activity include by the temperature. The an annual the heat budget of also the different in different species. Then the measurement, the shoreline is measuring the surviving in the technique depth measure by the sounding line and weight. Then sonar. This is the about the measurement. Then the our next point is shore condition. The length and natural shore water play the significant role in the biology and aquatic animal. Longer shoreline enhance the productivity, increasing the production and the vegetation and the phytoplankton. But of the shore stage, the surface of submerged plant, turbidity, low productivity, cutting off light. Then the pressure and movement of water. All animal will depel the water and increase the pressure vegetation. With that, but over the trees, the surface of submerged. Then the movement of water is erosion of soil, increase in turbidity, and the turbidity affecting the fish production. The turbidity is suspend meter like Lake Taffin, and the water become a turbidity during the rain. Fluids also resting the penetration of this light, then the reducing the photosynthesis. Respiration is effect on the different type of suspense matter to protect the gills. The light is important factor, is influencing the productivity of the various within the geological or the geographical location of the pond. The lake perspective views, in that the light is also responsible for the different production and distribution of the plankton. Light control the photosynthesis activity like a plant, is indirectly affecting the flora. Flora means all plant, and the fauna means all zoo. Okay, the oxygen content of the water pond light should be 10 to 15 hours. The turbidity of that heavy growth vegetation inside, the presence of shady trees along the shore, and turbidity of water in affect the fish culture. This is about the physiological factor. Then like morphometry is evaluated the nutrient chemical balance, heat balance, biological productivity, potential, shoreline habits available for fish. This morphometric parameters used for many applications. I already told you about the different this is about the physical property. Now come to the chemical conditions or the chemical property. Oxygen, carbon dioxide, pH, total hardness of water, dissolved solid. These are the chemical conditions. The chemical conditions of water or aquatic ecosystem is influenced by the natural characteristic and process, including the underlining the soil and the bed rock in the drain basins, eosins, evaporations, and the sedimentation. All the bodies of water have a certain composition of both organic and the inorganic element or the elements and components. The dissolved oxygen or the human activity strongly influence the chemical composition of aquatic system and their water quality. The dissolved organic carbon or the DOC, the dissolved oxygen and dissolved carbon dioxide are often discussed together their coupled role in the respiration and photosynthesis. Dissolved oxygen concentration can be alternate physical, chemical, biological process reaction. The physical process include the wide mixing. I already taught you. Increase the dissolved oxygen, the concentration, particularly surface water in aquatic ecosystem, because dissolved oxygen is solubility is linked to water temperature. Change in the temperature affect to dissolve the oxygen concentration as warmer, and water has a lower capacity to hold the oxygen and colder water. The biological, both the photosynthesis and the respiration affect the dissolved oxygen concentration. The photosynthesis of aquatic organism are the all the aerobic organism or aquatic organism take the dissolved oxygen during the aerobic respiration, while the carbon dioxide is released as the byproduct of reaction. Because of the photosynthesis of light and limit, both of photosynthesis and respiration occur during the daylight hour, while only the respiration. The pH pond of water may be alkaline, acidic or neutral are the important environmental factor influencing the species and metabolism or animal plant inhabiting it. Then the total hardness of water, depending amount of calcium, magnesium, dissolved the solid, both of organic and inorganic solid essential for a growth of fishes. Then the next dissolve in a water. The next is the biological condition in of a pond water. Then the biological properties only way they classify the lake, which is the tropical state of index is as the oligotrophic lake characterized by the relatively low level of primary production, low level of nutrient, isn't it? The eutrophic lake have a level the primary productivity of a very high nutrient. The eutrophic lake at the algal bloom. Dystrophic the lake, the biological group associated with a zone of organism that create the turbulence, large invertebrate fish. These the categories do not have the red significance. The classification system can be seen a more spectrum encompassing the various level of aquatic productivity. The biological group associated with the zooplanktons, the whole the life of pelagic, then the bacteria plankton like a bacteria, euplankton, permanent planktonic community. Okay, then the meroplankton, temporary planktonic phases, for example nucleus, then the limnoplankton, plankton of lakes, then haloplankton, plankton in pond, and the plankton, plankton in rivers. The benthos organism inhabit in the solid liquid influence consisting of the phytobenthons and the zoobenthons. Then the meroplankton cannot spend whole life cycle in pelagic. Okay, then pseudoplanktons is swept into the lycopodic activity. Okay, then the next point is productivity. The food production is essentially a process of energy transformation. In pond, solar energy is fixed the chlorophyll bearing the plant, predominantly algae or the aquatic weed, that is the primary producer, and in those of the learn of consumed by a small animals and fishes. In the biological community within a lake may be the organized concept into the food chain and food web. The simplest illustration of the organism within the ecosystem of the ecological pyramid means a food chain. A broad base of primary producer, mainly suppose overlining the layer of herbivorous, planktivorous and less of a number of carnivorous. The food chain allow the diversity species in the divided into the tropical level within the plant, first tropic level, and their primary producer, most food chain. Almost the freshwater ecosystem animal will be present and the form of a many grazing a food chain in the area. Organism like energy, organic matter forming the food chain. Such a relationship allow the free flow of organic energy passes the species to species. Okay, isn't it, dear student? Provide the environment where the available term of survive the food web, describe the term of both energy and nutrients. The process of typically being the sunlight and the photosynthesis and the respiration. The microorganism or the indicate the ecological pyramid every where the energy passes along from the autotrophic organism to carnivorous at the top of the chain. Those of the bottom which feed the primary producer less in number, usually because they are the larger, require more than you see in this video. Food order survive this situation, continue the top of the chain where a few secondary consumer eaten by the even smaller amount of tritary we call them tritary consumer. Okay, the oxygen released during the photosynthesis added the oxygen supplied by the atmosphere. Light energy could hold more oxygen during the usually the complex many lake ecosystem had different species to be involved. Okay, the most important fact is understood here that the no matter where the species occupied in area, changes will be required other the abundance. Okay, this is all about the productivity, and here our second unit limnology is finished. A huge thank you to each one of you for showing interest in this video lecture. Thank you.